Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week I'm going to talk about publicity and marketing. But before I do that, I would love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video. We put out tons and tons of great content to help you land in the media. So subscribe to the channel, and now I will tell you about publicity and marketing. What's very interesting is that publicity and marketing used to be two very separate things, and they really melded together, especially the fact that publicity used to be you had to use a PR firm. It was a very exclusive thing to send out a press release. Press release today is a dime a dozen. It is so easy to connect with journalists through the internet and social media that it really incorporating PR into your marketing plan is super, super important. I always say it's less than 10 minutes a day. What can you do every single day to get your business massive visibility through PR? So make sure you look back, look at the playlists under the Free Publicity Friday, and see all the different tips and all the different ways that you can land in the media and incorporate PR into your marketing plan. And if that sounds exciting to you, maybe you need a little bit of help, you just kind of want to talk through it and see where you're at and what you can do, how you can up level everything, feel free to set up a call with me at chatwithchristina.com. I would love to hear what you're up to, and I can't wait to see you in the media.